So, what do you think?
Show the camera over here so they know what I'm looking at.
I don't know if I want to show them this, what we're getting into today.
Reindeer games.
Oh, these are games.
Yep. Just a little swamp day.
So what do we got today, Silas? We got some visqueen. Got some crawl suits. Huh?
Yeah.
Got some garbage we got to get rid of. You think we'll need plastic? I honestly think we don't need plastic. I mean, it's a mud pit over there.
You want to just put it right next to everything?
I think we should just put it next to everything. I mean, it's literally a swamp.
Alright.
The grass will grow back. It'll grow back.
I guess.
Oh, yeah. Hope that's right. Michelin Man. I like it. What do you think about this whole?
You know, it is what it is.
I actually sweat today. Feel pretty patriotic. Feel like this is what our forefathers would have done. I don't know what they'd be digging for, but you know, they'd be proud for sure. Yeah. Probably not. Cool. All right, so right now we're gonna go to the supply house and get parts so that we can fix our repair. It's pretty legit. Jason gave us some Celsius. Again, we're not sponsors, but just saying.
Don't speed past it.
Plastic cutters. Plastic cutters. Try them out.
Yeah.
They got me again. All right, so as you can see, we got our PVC adapters here. So we're gonna glue these. We're gonna prime these, glue these to the pipe with some blue PVC glue, and then we're gonna go ahead and these PEX adapters here, adapt onto them, and then we've got this 90 fitting that we'll attach the PEX piping to, and then we should be golden. Got the Milwaukee PEX expander. We got all the right glue. Well,
Yeah. You want to see it?
let's see it. Primer, glue. That's right. Right here we got our 1.5-inch pipe. It got pretty good. So you can see this 1.5-inch pipe, super thick. And the nice thing about PEX piping is that it expands. So those rings that are in there, we'll expand them on, and then they'll shrink back down. And this pipe doesn't split or crack. I mean, I don't know what it'll do in 50 years, but and I probably won't be around that long. So. there's our fix. Got our adapters on. Got our PEX piping in. Looks good.
Yeah, just gotta wait. Let's kind of clean up our area a little bit.
Clean up our area a little bit, and then we'll come back and pressurize.
Yeah, we'll let it sag down.
What do we got here? What do we got here?